Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So as we head through the morning, I think it'll be a very quiet, pleasant morning. We'll have a little bit of cloud cover out there, but still a fair amount of sunshine bursting through that cloud cover. By 9 a.m., we'll be at about 74 degrees. As we head into the afternoon, sunny and dry conditions will prevail, 82 by noon. And then as we head to 3 o'clock, probably see a little bit of that drier air start to filter in by that time. You'll notice it is lower relative humidity, feeling pretty good. 88 degrees, our daytime high temperature, and then 82 as we head into the evening under very pleasant conditions. Dew points are still high across our region, coming in at 68. But as I said, we'll be in the process of dropping those dew points as winds turn north and we start to see that drier air filter in from where it's already settled in north of us, up around the Big Bend region and points north of that. 70 degrees current official air temperature at Sarasota, Bradenton. We're looking at Bradenton coming in at 68, so is Parrish, Lakewood Ranch at 69, Myakka 69, Northport comes in at 71, so does Venice and Inglewood. Across the region, winds generally are very light and somewhat variable at this hour as the frontal boundary is basically sitting just to our south. We're sort of in that zone of transition. Remember, a frontal boundary is not a solid line. It's a zone of transitioning weather, and that's kind of what we're in right now. Out of the north at about 2 to 5 miles per hour or northwest, and that'll be the case through the morning, drawing down that drier, less humid air. Dew points to the north of us are close to the 50 mark in Tallahassee, 57 in Jacksonville, rather, and in Pensacola coming in at 52. These dew point values feel great. And that north wind is going to draw some of that drier air into central Florida, where right now dew points are closer to the 70 mark than they are the 60 mark. Later on in the day, we'll see that kind of reduced. There's our frontal boundary, sinking southward, taking the cloud cover with it. Sunny skies will greet most of the Big Bend region, the panhandle of the state, and north central Florida. We'll be left with maybe a little bit of high fair weather clouded, but you know what? That will be quickly mixing away and eroding away and bringing us sunshine to boot. In the tropics, things look pretty good nearby. Nothing here that spells any kind of development anytime soon. As that front sinks south, this dry air on our water vapor imagery indicated by this tan color filters in. And with that comes basically a zero rain chance and also plenty of sunshine in store. Look at all that stream of dry air going back toward Texas. All of that is what's in store for us this week. Some pretty nice weather. So we have a series of low pressure areas. The first one, that frontal boundary sinking south, brings us high pressure and fair skies. Another one just to our north will kind of limp through here and reinforce that dry air. You'll hardly even notice its passage, but it'll come through here in a day or so, and that will just give us another couple of days of beautiful weather. It will today, however, bring a few scattered showers around the Atlanta area. We'll watch for that. Just standard thunderstorm, not severe. High pressure builds in once our front sinks south. Winds turn north, draw down that drier air, and we're left with some pretty nice weather. Sunny and warm, lower humidity, and really the next rain chance is not going to come our way until the weekend, and then it's really only going to be about a 40 to 50% chance of rain. We're kind of still in the process of refining that forecast. Radar right now absolutely clear of any echoes. We're looking at a nice day with winds a little bit breezy perhaps for boaters. Northwest coming in at about 10 to 15, subsiding a bit during the overnight. Should give you a building sea to about a moderate chop a little later in the afternoon with 2 to 3 foot seas. So the forecast for the week looks pretty good. A 9:18 high tide, a low tide at 12:16, and a daytime high topping out at around 88 today. Plenty of sunshine, lower relative humidity. Tomorrow, exquisite. Again, a daytime high of about 88, full sunshine wall to wall. And no rain in the forecast really for the next several days, with daytime highs warm up near the 90. That's about 5 degrees above where we normally would be at this time of year. Next chance of rain comes on the weekend at about 40%, and then again 50% on Sunday.